Let's talk about housing, perhaps one of the biggest and most important sectors of the economy. You may have heard something about real estate on this network. We're joined by Matt Ishbia. He is the CEO and president of United Wholesale Mortgage, one of the fastest growing mortgage wholesale originators in the country. Matt, it's a pleasure to get you on. Listen, not everybody may care about the stock or bond markets, but they probably care about the housing markets they either own or want to own or rent or are looking to move up. From your point of view, how is the housing market doing right now?
You know, we're seeing the housing market pretty strong. You know, a lot of times people are saying that, hey, is it a bubble? Is it going to slow down? You know, we don't see it slowing down significantly. It won't grow at maybe the pace we've seen over the last couple of years, but still a 2 to 3% appreciation per year. And it's pretty strong right now. We're seeing a lot of action, especially first-time home buyers, younger generations buying their first home. So it's been actually a pretty active fall, and we see 2020 being a lot more like what we just saw.
Yeah, and is that you think it's sustainable, or is it just sort of an offshoot, Matt, of this dumping down in rates that we have seen the last couple of months?
Well, you know, we think it's sustainable, but definitely the dumping down in rates has helped. You know, the affordability is at a great point right now where rates are lower, people can buy homes cheaper than they could have bought them just a year ago. And so people are seeing that even though the housing values are higher, but because rates are lower, people are taking advantage of it. It's really helping a lot of people, whether it's refinance, but on the purchase side, it's actually spurred a lot more purchase than maybe a lot of people expected.
How sensitive are your clients to interest rates? I mean, does, 10 basis points, 1/10%, does it really affect things that much?
You know, I don't think so. I think interest rates are just part of the game. I think people have to have that feeling that housing's great, it's going to be strong, the economy's in a good position overall, and at the same time, they can buy a house maybe cheaper than they can rent the same house for. And so there's a lot of opportunity right now. And so I don't think a 10 basis point move moves it too much. But we see rates hopefully staying in the same range between now and the election, most likely.
Any reason to worry, Matt, about the housing market? Are people getting, a little overly aggressive again, 10 times income in certain markets?
You know, I don't think so. The mortgage market has been really stable, and they're only lending to people that really qualify. And, so we don't really see that as a major issue right now. And with rates as low as they are, right now is a great time to shop and look for a great mortgage broker to find the great process for you and make the process easy, fast, and cheap. And so we're not seeing that as a real issue right now, especially going into 2020.
Matt Ishbia, United Wholesale Mortgage. Great stuff. Important market. And we'll get you back on again soon. Thank you, Matt.
Thanks for having me.